Hello everyone. Today in this video we will study about the preparation and reaction of alcohol. So let's start. So first we have to know what are alcohols. The organic compounds which contain hydroxyl or OH functional group attached to a saturated carbon atom are known as alcohol. So we know what are alcohols. So let's see the methods of preparation. The first method of preparation of hydration of alkene. So alkene we know the double bonded organic compound. It is the carbon, uh, the compound which contains C double bond C, that is carbon double bond carbon. So alkene on treatment with concentrated H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, it will form alkyl hydrogen sulfate. So alkene, this on treatment with this one is H2SO4, it will give alkyl hydrogen sulfate, and this alkyl hydrogen sulfate on subsequent uh, hydrolysis with water, it will form alcohol. Okay, and ultimately we will get the alcohol and H2SO4. So primary alcohol can also be prepared by hydroboration with diborane 2BHG or B2H6, followed by oxidation with alkaline H2O2, that is hydrogen peroxide. So primary alcohol can also be obtained by hydroboration. So this one is borane. Okay. So with diborane, if we treat alkene, we'll get this one first, and upon treatment with uh, alkaline H2O2, that is hydrogen peroxide, which will cause the oxidation, and ultimately we will get the primary alcohol. Okay, so next methods of preparation, we will see hydrolysis of alkyl halide. So alkyl halide on treatment with aqueous solution of NaOH or KOH, it will form alcohol. Okay, so this one is propyl chloride. Okay, so this Na will take this chloride to form NaCl, and this hydroxyl OH group will be attached here, so we are getting the alcohol. Okay, so and you have to remember that this method is not satisfactory. Why? Because alkyl halide itself undergo dehydrohalogenation, that is one hydrogen and one chlorine will be left from here, and ultimately it will form one double bond here, so we'll get an alkene. So to overcome this problem, we will use mild alkali like silver oxide. Okay, moist silver oxide, AgOH, so that Ag will take up this Cl, and ultimately will AgCl will precipitate, and we will get the primary alcohol or this alcohol. Okay, so you just remember this one. Next, hydrolysis of esters. Okay, so esters when heated with dilute alkali or mineral acid, for example NaOH or HCl, okay, diluted, it will be hydrolyzed to form an alcohol. So see this one reaction, CH3 C double bond O, then it will take H from here of this water, so it will form this one acid, and C2H5, and this OH, it will form C2H5OH. So whenever an ester is hydrolyzed in presence of dilute alkali or mineral acid or dilute mineral acid, it will form an acid and alcohol. Okay, so next method of preparation, we'll see reduction of carbonyl compound. So aldehyde, ketones, carboxylic acid, this compound can be reduced with various reducing agents, and upon reduction, this will give alcohol. So various reducing agent may be the H2, that is hydrogen in platinum, then lithium aluminum hydride, then NaBH4, okay, sodium borohydrate. This can be used as reducing agent. So reduction of aldehyde. So this is an aldehyde CHO or C double bond OH containing bond. So this is aldehyde. So aldehyde, upon reduction 2H from the reducing agent, this will supply the nascent hydrogen. So upon reduction, this will give the OH, that is alcohol. Okay, this will convert it to alcohol. Then reduction of ketone. So if ketone is reduced, it will give ultimately alcohol. Then the reducing agent may be LiLH4 or NaBH4 or hydrogen platinum. Okay, then reduction of carboxylic acid also give the alcohol and the water. Okay, so next we will see the reactions. Okay, so what are the reactions given by an alcohol? Okay, so alcohol, first reaction with alkali metals. So alkali metals we know sodium, potassium, etc. Okay, so like water, alcohol react with alkali metal to form alkoxide. So this one, see methanol. Okay, CH3OH, methanol, when react with sodium, it will form sodium methoxide. This one is sodium methoxide. So it will form the alkoxide. Okay. Next, reaction with metal hydride. So metal hydride, when reacts with or metal amides, when react with alcohol, this will give alkoxide. Okay, so this is ethanol or CH3CH2OH, and it will sodium hydride. Okay, so it will react with sodium hydride, and this will also give the alkoxide. So this one is sodium ethoxide along with uh, water. Okay, so if it reacts with metal amides, so what it will give? It will give this one instead of NaH. If it reacts with NaNH2, so that is methyl amide. So what it will give? It will give alkoxide along with ammonia. Okay, so remember this one. Next reaction with Grignard reagent. So alcohol can so what is Grignard reagent? We know RMGS, that is an alkyl group with magnesium and halide group. That is our Grignard reagent. So alcohol can destroy or will break down the Grignard reagent to give alkoxide salts. Okay, so see this reaction CH3MgBr, that is R, CH3 alkyl group, R, MgBr is X, that is your halide group. So this is Grignard reagent. When reacts with this one alcohol, what it will give? It will give alkane, simple alkane along with this, that is this CH3 and H is combining to form methane, and ultimately CH3 CH2O MgBr, we are getting this one alkoxide salt. Okay, next the reaction with carboxylic acid. So alcohol when reacts with carboxylic acid, it will give esters. So in the previous preparation, if you remember, we prepare from the ester. Okay, so we hydrolyze the ester to form acid and alcohol, but here the opposite reaction. Okay, here we are combining acid and this one is alcohol. So whenever we will combine acid and alcohol in presence of inorganic acid, it will give ester, and this reaction is known as esterification reaction. Along with that, this will give water. Okay, so next reaction with acid chloride. So what are acid chloride? Acid group, for example, CH3 C double bond O, C2H5 C double bond O, along with chlorides. Okay, so these are known as acid chlorides. Alcohol reacts with acid chlorides to give esters. So this one is acid chloride. When it reacts with alcohol, it will give ester along with the formation of HCl. Okay, this is simple reaction. This H is combining with Cl, that is chloride, to give HCl, and ultimately this part and this part is combining to give the ester. Okay, The next reaction, catalytic dehydrogenation. When different vapors of different alcohol pass through a copper gauge, okay, at 300 degrees Celsius, it will form different products. For example, this one is primary alcohol. So primary alcohol, when pass through a copper gauge at 300 degrees Celsius, it will give aldehyde. And if the secondary alcohol, this one is secondary alcohol, when this is passed through copper gauge at 300 degrees Celsius, this will give ketone. Okay, this one will, primary alcohol will give aldehyde, secondary alcohol will give ketone. This one is acetone. Okay. Next, reaction with hydrogen halide. So alcohol upon reaction with hydrogen halide gives alkyl halide. Okay. So hydrogen halide, that is HCl. Okay. So alcohol upon reaction with this one, it will give simple alkyl halide along with the water molecule. So reactivity or order of um, alkyl halide is HI will react faster, next HBr, then HCl, and reactivity order of alcohol is allyl benzyl will react first, then tertiary, then secondary, then primary. So I hope you have understood the reactions and preparation of alcohol. Thank you.